Hi everybody, this is Caesar 6.14, and in this section Caesar talks about the Druids. Okay, so let's start with Druides. So the Druids are accustomed to be absent from war, nor do they pay taxes together with the rest. They have an exemption from military service and an immunity of all things. And so this consuerant is actually the same thing as consuerant. Okay. So then we have excitati, we'll start with. So having been spurred on by such great rewards and their own will, many come together into this practice and are sent by their parents and relatives. So let's start with Decantor. So they are said to learn thoroughly a great number of verses there, and so some remain in their studies for 20 years. Okay. So nor do they think it is right to command these things to letters. Although, so this kun will be taken as although here, although they use Greek letters in like almost all remaining, or like almost the remaining things, public and private accounts. So they seem to me to have instituted this for two reasons. Because they neither wish the teaching to be carried out to the common folk, nor do those who study, having relied on writing, are less eager for memory. So this is basically saying that those who rely on written word to learn things are less likely to have it memorized and like have the eagerness to memorize it because they can always check it somewhere else. So this goes on to talk about that. So which generally happens to most, so that with the protection of writing, they give up their diligence in learning thoroughly and their memory. Okay, and so this perdiscendo is a gerund, and this remitant is a subjunctive in this clause of result that started at ut. Okay, so then first they want to persuade this, that souls do not perish, but after death cross from some to another. And from these they think they are very greatly incited to courage with the fear of death neglected. Okay, almost done. So furthermore, the young men, so we're going to jump all the way down here, the young men discuss and teach. Now we're going to jump back up here. So they teach many things about about the stars and their motion, about the earth or about the world and the magnitude of the land or earth, about nature things, about the force and power of the immortal gods. So that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.